Hi guys, I'm just going to do a quick video on how I put my rolling trays on the turner. If you get a chance, subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button. I get this little tool caddy. They get them at the, my husband got it at like the auto parts or the hardware store. And you cut this, the big noodle, the big star pool noodle, and it fits perfectly in there. But you still want to get some tape. That's me unrolling the tape, guys. You want to get tape, and you want to put the tape on the caddy, on the tool cup, and make sure that you get it on there really secure. Put a couple of layers. You can also use, this is painter's tape, and it's a good strong painter's tape. It's called Lock Edge, and it's from 3M. But you leave the magnet exposed. Once it's on really well, when you cut your noodle, you want to put the edge that's going to hit over here, you want it to be smooth. So make sure you cut it evenly. Then you put the pool noodle onto your PVC pipe, and then you decorate your tray, and the tray fits right on. Try to get it right in the middle so it can turn evenly, and then that's all you have to do. If you have any questions, just don't hesitate to ask. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.